Maintaining your vacuum is simple. Before performing any maintenance, be sure to unplug the vacuum. Next, empty the dust cup before it reaches the max fill line. To remove the dust cup, press the release button on top of the dust cup handle. Tilt the dust cup away from the vacuum, then lift to remove. To empty the contents into the trash, press the lower dust cup release tab. The bottom lid will open. Close the bottom lid when done. To open the top lid, press the upper release button. Your vacuum also comes with 2 pre-motor filters and a HEPA filter that need to be washed periodically. Lift out the foam filter, then the felt filter underneath. To access the HEPA filter, press the button at the bottom of the filter door. Tilt the door and lift it off, then remove the HEPA filter. To clean the filters, hand wash with cold water only. Rinse the pre-motor filters once every 3 months and the HEPA filter once every year. Let the filters air dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling them. Once dry, return the foam and felt filters back into the vacuum, felt filter first. Reinstall the HEPA filter, then replace the door. Insert the top of the door first, then press in the bottom until it clicks into place. To reattach the dust cup, place the bottom in first, then tilt until it clicks into place. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com.